You've heard of the Dodge Hellcat, but what about Buick's Hellcat? I'm Jerry Reynolds, the Car Pro, with your automotive news in 60 seconds. Take a look at this. It's a 1943 Buick M18 Hellcat. This restored, almost fully functioning World War II tank is currently up for sale on the web for $250,000. It's been demilled, which means the gun doesn't work, but otherwise the owner says it's in tip-top shape right down to the 9-cylinder engine that was rebuilt in 2013. And speaking of restorations, GM's now restoring the 1 millionth Corvette ever produced. It was one of the 8 Vettes damaged after being swallowed by a sinkhole at the National Corvette Museum. Repair crews hope to have the 1992 convertible as good as new by this September. I'm Jerry Reynolds, the Car Pro. Have a great week.